Welcome. In this quick video, we'll learn how to use the separate stream title fields in the Switchboard Template feature. Let's get started. Open the Templates page. You'll notice three separate stream title fields. Use the top field for destinations like Twitch, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Use the Facebook title field for Facebook destinations, and use the YouTube title field for YouTube destinations. When you go live, the stream title that you've provided in the Facebook title field will only publish to Facebook destinations. The stream title that you've provided in the YouTube title field will only publish to YouTube destinations. This is a great way to create different stream titles for the destination type. Great job! Now you know how to use the separate stream title fields for your live videos. Thanks for watching and happy multi-streaming!